morning, everyone. Well, it's good morning here for me. Getting ready to head out the door. I actually am going to hit Walmart because I am missing a few things. And I'm 25 days away from my cruise. Let's get some of those last minute things done. So, I'm already at Walmart. But I wanted to tell you, get my stuff out of the back seat. So we have like a whole bunch of Walmarts. And so every time I go in a different one, I have to figure out where everything's at. All right, let's go. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. Oh, don't worry about those nails, they'll get done. But it kind of has a little bit of planner type stuff, and then also it's a 3-ring binder, so I can add in like little pieces and stuff to hold documents and things like that. So I think this is a good one to take so I can have paper and stuff. I don't know how much it is, but it's not bad. This is the only one I see. It's not really my color, but we'll make it work. So I think this is the winner. Okay, so my little planner was only like $4, so that's like super good. So I'll go on Amazon and order kind of the little inserts that I use to put like documents and stuff in. I think that's like the perfect size, and that way everything's kind of held together. So good. So some of the other things that I like to get together in regards to 25 days out is alright, oh my gosh, it's gonna be one of those mornings. Alright, so some of those things that I like to get done, let's see, I like to turn this music down. So one of the main things is getting all my documents together. So airlines, confirming, you know, your hotel and all that stuff. Getting all those confirmations together. So those are some of the big things that I like to get done. And let's see, something else that I like to do is I will actually make sure also in that little binder I have kind of personal information. So some of my personal information is like for my husband or my oldest son in case of emergency, in case something happens to me. And but they can contact somebody, right? Right. I don't know why I didn't think about getting one of those before. I used to have this little green pouch, I think you saw in my well, you did, in my travel packing video. Well, if you saw the video. If you didn't, then you don't know what it is. But anyway, I put all in there, but it's kind of bulky and stuff for my purse. And I wanted something also where I can write in case I wanted to journal something and not actually take out a phone or, you know, whatever. You know, it's just so much. I think it'll be better for me. One of the things that I haven't done yet is secure my car service or shuttle. I have a feeling I'm going to be doing a car service instead of a shuttle when I get off the plane and to the plane. I'm leaning towards that way. I'm leaning towards just having someone where they can just come pick me up. It's one person they're picking up and not like 25, and then go directly to my Airbnb. Speaking of last minute items, I'm still looking at booking the spa treatment. I am like such a weirdo about people touching me. Well, strangers. And my husband. No, kidding. So you know, but everyone says like it's such a good opportunity and it's really relaxing and stuff, and I've never done it. Look, I'm in my 50s and I've never done it. Maybe this is the time to actually do it. Gosh, if my voice sounds awful, it's because I'm suffering from allergies today. I totally forgot to take allergy medicine the last 2 days, and boy, am I freaking fighting it. So Anyway, let's see. What else? I think that's it. So I'm booking shuttle service, maybe a spa treatment. I don't know. I pretty much have done everything else. I'm going to go in and confirm, make sure, you know, I ordered my water, got my shore excursions, got my reservations, got all that stuff done. If you want to see how I did it, I'll put the link below of that video. But gosh, you know, there's so many... I just can't think of anything else, and I'm like, probably like not a good thing to be saying that, because I'm sure there is something. All right, off to work. All right, so I finally made it to work. So, you know, sometimes those red lights are good, and sometimes they are not. Today, not. And so I'm running like a super behind schedule, but I wanted to get this out. So, let's see. The one thing that I actually forgot to mention was that I actually check flight seats. Sounds weird. Okay, so what I do is I go on and I see people are sitting around me. It goes back to that whole, like, don't touch me, stranger. And I have been on a really long flight where they have been, like, really close to me, leaning on me. I'm just like, what, dude? Just, like, stop. And he just kept leaning and leaning and leaning and falling asleep on me. And I was, like, pushing him back. And I was telling his girlfriend or wife or sister, I don't know who the heck she was. But she, anyway, I just was like, hey, he's falling asleep on me. And she'd like wake him up and move him over, but then he'd like fall right back on me. Anyway, so what I do is I go on and I check to see who is sitting around me. And in that case, I will move my seat. I will even pay for another seat. I've already kind of paid to upgrade a little bit. Not a huge upgrade, but just to be able to, so I can pick my personal seat and where I want to be and in these kind of premier areas. And so I was able to move to another area. Out of the 4 flights that I'm taking, like going and returning, I only had to move 1, which I actually think was pretty darn good. Otherwise, I have like open space next to me and we're pretty close out. So I don't know if this plane will fill up. The planes will fill up all that much. So anyway, so that's something I do. What is the other thing? I need to order some more, like a memory stick or a memory external drive or something like that. I've never gone this long on a flight on a vacation. And so with now doing all these videos, and so I think maybe I need to get an external drive just to try to upload all the information into there. I do use a online or web-based editing software, so I can actually use my tablet or my phone to actually connect and upload the stuff directly into it if I wanted to. So that is an option as well for, like, say when I'm at the Airbnb. Obviously I couldn't do that on the cruise. I don't think that service will be that great. But, and then, I think that's it for about 25, 30 days out. I'm 25 days out. I'm so excited, as you can tell. Wow, you are too. Come on. You're excited for when you go on your cruise. Come on, come on. That's why you're watching these videos, because you're that excited. Those are some of the things I do, and I will see you in my next video. Not really see you, but hey, take care and have a great day. Oh, yeah. Follow me on social media if you want to. If you want to. I'm not going to beg you. What else is there? Oh, like, subscribe. I don't really care if you hit that notification bell. I very rarely, if never, hit the notification bell just because it'll keep popping up on my phone. All right. Bye.